My name is Tarek, and my YouTube name is Viet Packy. (8:53 p.m. on March 26th, and we said our goodbyes to their relatives in Gamao, and now we're back at Phung's place having dinner here. There's Phung's aunt and then family, and we're eating this delicious food right here. Mixture of different things.
Ngoài có con này không?
Bên Canada,
Try this.
come on. Bên Canada không có.
Không có.
27th, around 9 a.m. past Mita, I'm at my friend Phung's house. As you can see, the landscape here is amazing. This river is our leading way to the main road, so you need a boat in order to get to this home. The home is beautiful. It is my friend Phung's home, and today around 11:30 we are leaving back to Ho Chi Minh City. I just want to show you their home really quickly. Yeah. Yes. So my friend Phung was saying that after we eat, she's gonna take me around this area and do some drone footage. This is the backyard of their home. Another river that leads somewhere. Coolest thing ever. Imagine living here. It would be a crazy experience. I'm leaving here. We were here for the past few days, stayed over for the night, and then yesterday and the day before we were in Gamao, which is about 3 or 4 hours away from where we are right now. We were there for Phung's cousin's wedding, and then today we're heading back to Ho Chi Minh City in about a couple hours. So this is their backyard, and remember how I was showing you that their backyard has a small kind of like river? Isn't this amazing? So Phung's dad is being nice enough to take us to this area. Coolest thing ever. I have my fly cam, which I'm going to fly soon. You see my name on it. I shouldn't have put my name on it. It doesn't look as sleek, but I didn't want to lose it. Right, so I'm like, whatever. Plus, I wrote my name pretty neat, don't you think? And then she's holding my controller there.
Quay đây để khỏi bay. Bay để lấy hết cảnh luôn. Hết cảnh để chút nữa quay về rồi đứng ở trong nhà quay chứ. Quay ở đây nó gấp đất nước thì sao?
Wow, đẹp quá.
Cái này chín rồi. Cam này ăn được rồi.
What are these? Cam. Orange? Oranges!
So many.
The coolest thing ever, man. Where does this go to? I don't know.
Chuối già.
Chuối? Banana? Oh, look at that. Wow.
Chuối á.
Hay quá.
Chuối trồng á. Nhấp luôn.
Wow. Look at the banana, everyone. Look at the banana. Dang rồi. We are in the countryside in what is this city called again? The village? One. Hậu Giang. That's the name of it. Hậu Giang.
Phụng Hiệp, Hậu Giang.
Phụng Hiệp, Hậu Giang. This is Phung's father. Obviously you know me. There's Phung right there. And they are taking us on a boat ride from their backyard up this, I think it's called, I don't know if it's like a ravine, but it's like a huge loop around the community. so it doesn't really go anywhere, but the coolest thing I've ever seen. I love it. It reminds me of my parents' hometown, well, my mom's hometown village of Mita, and it's beautiful. You can see it's like a big loop. There's mango here too.
I will take one.
She's gonna try and grab one, everyone. Gonna try and grab the mango from the tree.
Kill me.
Yeah.
Cao quá. À, ở trong, con thấy chứ, ở trong.
There's a mango. Can you get it? Be careful, be careful.
Đó, ở dưới một trái, ở trên một trái.
Be careful.
Đi qua.
Oh, she got it.
Trái này đó, đó, đó. Ồ. Ồ.
She got the mango.
I got two.
Amazing. Wow.
Được không?
Look at the mango and then the oranges we got here. My fly cam, obviously, my drone. I didn't put that in there. I take some video footage afterwards. You can check it out on my channel. You know, you'll definitely see some drone footage here. We are now leaving Phung's house. Her family has been very, very warm and welcoming to me, and I will never forget that. I really appreciate their hospitality. Right now we're heading home back to Ho Chi Minh City.